Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Are you struggling with belly fat? Perhaps you just had a baby or you're overweight. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a smoothie recipe that will help aid detoxification in your body. It will help you to deal with belly fat and also help to improve your general health. To deal with belly fat and sustain it, you have to eat a healthy diet loaded with fruits and vegetables and whole grains daily. You have to cut down on processed food, fast foods, sugary foods. You also have to replace or reduce your intake of sugary beverages. And you also have to include physical activities in your daily routine, such as walking, skipping, or any form of exercise. This smoothie is made of pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and water. These ingredients are loaded with nutrients, vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and A. It also provides a fiber boost that speeds up waste elimination and helps you to avoid constipation. It helps your body to stay hydrated throughout the day, and it helps to promote detoxification. Detoxification simply means removal of toxins or harmful substances from the body. To prepare this juice, blend all the ingredients with water and voila, it's ready. The body organs like the liver, kidney, lungs, skin already helps the body eliminate toxins, but this drink will help them function at their fullest capacity while cleansing your system. It will also help prevent bloating, promote growth of strong, healthy bones in your body, and improve your overall health. It will help maintain a healthy glow on your skin. It will also slow down the aging process. It helps to improve your skin hydration and make your skin look and feel smoother. At the end of this video, you would see a full exercise for belly fat reduction. I also attached the name of the channel. It's a 10-day challenge on belly fat exercises that you can do for 10 days to lose your belly fat. Kindly subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I share videos on food, cakes, and the food business. Let me know in the comment section if you try this recipe, and also let me know if it worked for you. Remember to eat healthy, exercise regularly. This will go a long way to help you in getting rid of your belly fat.